First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whilst that's happening, let's focus on the broccoli. You'll need about 2 cups. If you're using fresh broccoli, steam it until it's just tender. For those using frozen, ensure it is fully thawed and well drained. Once the broccoli is prepped, turn your attention to the cheese sauce. In a medium saucepan over low heat, melt a block of cubed Velveeta cheese with a 1/4 cup of milk. Stir this mixture persistently until the cheese has completely melted into a smooth sauce. Now, it's time to combine the ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, blend the steamed broccoli with your homemade cheese sauce. Make sure every single broccoli floret is evenly coated in the cheese sauce. Following this, shift this cheesy broccoli concoction into a greased 9x9-inch baking dish or a similar size casserole dish. Now, it's time to get ready for the Ritz cracker topping. Take a small bowl, combine 1 cup of crushed Ritz crackers and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Continue to blend until the crackers are thoroughly drenched. Distribute this buttery cracker crumb mixture evenly across the top of your broccoli and cheese base. This will lend that irresistible golden crunch to your casserole. Slide your casserole into the already heated oven and let it bake. When you see the casserole bubbling and the cracker topping turning a beautiful golden brown, you'll know it's ready. Give the casserole a few minutes to cool off before serving. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.